My role is to assist clients in their cloud journey, modernization of their platform, infrastructure security, and better improving their balance for their productivity. The growth area for business moving forward is cloud adoption and cloud modernization, and AWS, that's where so much of it is happening. So AWS Skill Builder appealed to me for a couple of reasons. Predominantly is the training is broken up in a lot of very digestible chunks. You want the full slab of beef, go for it. You need a petaphor, it's there too. I can go find a 4-hour video and deep dive on AWS databases and RDS, or I can find a 15-minute quick snapshot of what elastic load balancers are and how to understand them at a really high level. My specialty in infrastructure security and networking security, I can go and see what have people leveraged before in that space, so that's been really advantageous. Skill Builder gives me flexibility, a lot of searchability. There's so much on it for me to be able to utilize. It helps set me up for success when I'm on my certification journey. Skill Builder has directly helped me achieve at least 2 certifications so far within AWS, including specialty level certifications, which are not the easiest to obtain. For my organization, that's great because it helps us demonstrate competency to AWS and to our partners. It just gives me a good resource to go back to.